What is up, Steemians, Dtubers, whalers, everybody out there in Crypto Nation? It's your boy Crypto Evo here. Just had a beautiful Thanksgiving weekend, and that was amazing. But the crypto market has been tanking for the last 2 weeks. This is probably the worst that we've seen it, and I read in the last 5 years. This week has been one of the biggest sell-offs in the last 5 years, and I kind of believe it. But for me, I look at it as not just a great opportunity, but I have to kind of like pull the camera back because I'm somebody that I can't really tell you what's going to happen like day to day, but I could really kind of look at some things and really tell you, hey, long term, what this market's going to do. So what we have to ask ourselves is, has anything changed with crypto? Has Bitcoin, Steam, BitShares, has any of these coins, has anything like really changed in the last year to really like hurt the underlying price that what we're seeing right now? And I say no. I actually see it as a reverse opposite of that. So much stuff, positive news is coming out that's very bullish for all of these cryptocurrencies going long term, but the price is dropping so much, and I just think it's the sentiment that's going around with everybody. I just think it's very negative in the crypto space, and people are wanting a reason to sell. And I think we kind of see that now with this bear market that we're in. We're seeing these hard and heavy drops. We were just trading at about 6,500 for the last seemed like 6 months steady. And I said when a market trades sideways, it does one of two things. It either trades up really hard or it trades down really hard. And the longer the sideways trend, the harder that move is, up or down. And obviously we're seeing that trend downwards, and it definitely sucks. Obviously I would rather see the market be going up, but we have to really ask ourselves, why is it going down? And is it just going down because some people knew that this market was trading sideways, knew it was going to do one or the other, started selling, started putting in shorts? Some people hit their calls and had to sell. There's a lot of like margin trading too in crypto, and maybe that could be why, but who knows? No one really knows. Who knows how long this is going to continue? But I know what's going to happen, and we are going to see another bull market. Who knows if that will be a week from now, a year from now, 10 years from now. But I think long term, crypto's here to stay. All these companies that are getting on board on it aren't getting on board cryptocurrency because it's $100 billion industry. Absolutely, that is not the case. That is not the case. And I don't think they were like looking at it at the all-time high either, at 800 billion market cap. I don't think they were like saying, ooh, I want to get into that to get some of those proceeds. I think they're doing the same thing that I'm doing, and the same thing that all of you guys should be doing, is pulling that camera back a little bit and saying, this asset class is here to stay. And once more people learn about it and educate themselves about it, it's going to grow, and it's going to grow huge. And these institutions now are getting on board, and they're helping, like TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade and Fidelity, they're both getting it so their users could buy cryptocurrencies. And that is huge, because so many people that I tell about crypto, they don't want to get it because they don't want to set up a Coinbase account. They don't want to put in all this information. They don't want to worry about storing their coins on a cold wallet and all this headaches. So stuff that we see as easy, some people think of that as absolutely no way. And it's great that they're kind of getting on board. So I want people to not just look at the price jumping off the cliff right now. I want them to look at what's actually being done. And markets stay irrational longer than people can stay liquid. So don't try to time this. Just kind of sit back, relax, and watch it. Let time do the heavy lifting. So That's at least my plan. All right, Steamians, Dtubers, YouTubers, whalers. This is your boy Crypto Evo. I'm out of here. Peace.